Hi, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going on an adventure into the ocean where we will meet some very special creatures that are simply huge. Whales are one of the largest animals on the planet. The biggest one is the blue whale, which can grow up to 33 meters long and weigh around 190 tons. That's about the length of a school bus and the weight of 33 elephants. How crazy is that? There are about 80 different species of whales all over the world. Some live in the cold water near the poles, while others prefer the warmer waters near the equator. Different species of whales have different teeth, and some don't even have any teeth at all. Instead, they have baleen that they use to filter their food. Now, what do whales eat? Well, most of them are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They mainly feed on small fish and squid. Humpback whales, for example, have been known to eat about 4 tons of krill each day. That's like eating 8,000 hamburgers. Can you imagine? Even though whales are such large creatures, they spend most of their time hidden underwater. Only their backs, or sometimes their blowholes, are visible above the surface. When they do come up for air, they make these cool puffs of air and water that we call spouts. Have you ever seen one? Whales usually travel long distances every year from their feeding grounds to their breeding areas. During their journeys, they move up and down the ocean in a wave-like motion. They do this by changing the shape of their bodies and using their tails to push themselves forward. Some whales can travel up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Most baby whales are born in warm tropical waters. This is because the females want to give birth in a place where the water isn't too cold. In colder waters, baby whales could easily die from a cold shock. Also, warmer waters usually have lots of food for the baby whales to eat. Baby whales, also called calves, stay with their mothers for a few months until they are strong enough to find their own food and swim long distances. Humpback whale calves, for example, stay with their mom for 7 to 9 months before they are weaned. During this time, mom makes sure to keep her baby safe from predators like killer whales and sharks. Now, did you know that whales can make a clicking sound to help them find food? The sound waves bounce off schools of fish, and the whales can hear the echoes. They can also use this ability to communicate with each other underwater. Some scientists believe that whales use their hearing to recognize each other, just like we recognize our friends by their faces. Sadly, some people hunt whales for their meat and oil. In the past, many whales were killed by people using explosive harpoons. Today, it's illegal to hunt most whale species, but some countries still do it. Pollution and climate change are also big problems for whales. As the ocean gets warmer, the food that whales eat becomes harder to find. And when there's less food, whales get skinnier and weaker. We can all do our part to protect these amazing creatures. If you're passionate about whales, you can become a marine biologist when you grow up. Marine biologists study whales and other sea creatures to learn more about them. They also work to protect whales and their habitats. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I hope you learned something new and exciting about whales. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.